Narito ang 10 pinakamabilis na production bike sa buong mundo. Pero bago ang lahat, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, baka naman. Number 10. Yamaha YZF R1M. Ito ay mayroong engine specs na 998cc, liquid-cooled 16-valve DOHC inline 4-cylinder at cross-plane crankshaft. Meron itong maximum 200 horsepower at 12,500 RPM with maximum torque of 106 Nm at 8,790 RPM. At ito ay mayroong curb weight na 199 kg. Ang kanyang power to weight ratio ay 1.1 horsepower per kilogram at meron itong top speed na 312 km per hour. Number 9. Aprilia RSB1100 Factory. Ang RSB1100 ay may engine specs na 1078cc. 65-degree B4 cylinder, DOHC, 4-stroke, 16 valves, and liquid cooling system. Ang kanyang maximum power ay 217 HP at 13,200 RPM at merong maximum torque na 122 Nm at 11,000 RPM. Ito ay merong curb weight na 199 kg at ang kanyang power to weight ratio ay 1.0 HP per kilogram. At meron itong top speed na 320 km per hour. Number 8. Ducati Panigale B4R. Ang B4R ng Ducati ay merong engine specs na 998cc 4-stroke Dismodromic 90-degree B4 DOHC 16-valve and liquid cooling system with a maximum power of 231 HP at 15,250 RPM and a maximum torque of 112 Nm at 11,500 RPM. Meron itong curb weight na 193 kg with a power to weight ratio of 1.1 HP per kilogram at meron itong top speed na 328 km per hour. Number 7. Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. Ito ay merong engine specs na 998cc, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder and DOHC with a maximum power of 197 HP at 13,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 113.5 Nm at 11,500 RPM. At ang kanyang curb weight ay 206 kg with a power to weight ratio of 1 HP per kilogram at ang kanyang top speed ay 328 km per hour. Number 6. BMW S1000RR. Ito ay merong engine specs na 999cc, 4-stroke, inline 4, DOHC, 16 valve and liquid cooling system with a maximum power of 210 HP at 13,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 113 Nm at 11,000 RPM. Ang kanyang curb weight ay 194 kg with a power to weight ratio of 1 HP per kilogram and a top speed of 334 km per hour. Number 5. Honda CBR 1000 Triple R 5-blade SP. Ito ay merong engine specs na 999.9cc, water-cooled, 4-stroke, DOHC, and inline 4-cylinder. With maximum power of 217 HP at 14,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 113 Nm at 12,500 RPM. Ang kanyang curb weight ay 201 kg with a power-to-weight ratio of 1 HP per kilogram and a top speed of 335 km per hour. Number 4. Suzuki JSX 1300R Hayabusa. Ito ay merong engine specs na 1340cc, 4-stroke, inline 4, liquid-cooled, DOHC, and 16 valves with a maximum power of 190 HP at 9,700 RPM and a maximum torque of 150 Nm at 7,000 RPM. Ang kanyang curb weight ay 264 kg with a power-to-weight ratio of 0.72 HP per kilogram. Ang kanyang top speed ay 336 km per hour. Number 3. Lightning LS 218. Ito ay merong specs na IPM electric motor with 380 volts 20 kilowatts battery pack with a maximum power of 200 HP at 10,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 227 Nm. Ang kanyang curb weight ay 225 kg with a power-to-weight ratio of 0.9 HP per kilogram. Ang kanyang top speed ay 348 km per hour. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Ito ay merong engine specs na 998cc, supercharged engine, 4-cylinder at liquid cooling system with a maximum power of 322 HP at 14,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 165 Nm at 12,500 RPM. Ang kanyang curb weight ay 216 kg with power-to-weight ratio of 1.51 HP per kilogram at merong top speed na hindi mapapantayan 400 km per hour. Kung reciprocating engine lang ang pag-uusapan ay wala pa rin tatalo sa Kawasaki H2R at siya pa rin ang may hawak ng titulong World Fastest and Most Powerful Production Bike in the market. Ngunit kung isasali natin ang ibang kategorya ay may mga motorbike na kayang-kaya itong talunin. Kung pabilisan lang ang usapan at isa na rito ay ang number 1 MTT 420RR Turbine Superbike.
Go!
Ito ay merong engine specs na Rolls-Royce Allison 250 C20 gas turbine with a maximum power of 420 HP at 52,000 RPM with a maximum torque of 678 Nm at 2,000 RPM. Ito ay merong timbang na 226 kg. Ang kanyang power to weight ratio ay 1.85 HP per kilogram at ang kanyang top speed ay 439 km/h.